Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country inspired home decor ideas. Let's take a look. Here are some tips and creative ideas to make your country inspired home decor truly warm, timeless and personal. Create a cozy ambience. Use soft, warm lighting, lamps with fabric or wicker shades, or candles in glass jars. Avoid harsh white lights. Choose bulbs with a warm golden tone. Blend old and new. Combine modern comfort like a plush sofa with antique finds like old trunk, vintage mirror. Keep windows decorated simply, maybe with a small potted herb, candle or messenger. Avoid heavy or dark drapes of curtains that block light. Use light curtains like linen, cotton or sheer white to let sunlight in. Add country wall decor. Hang vintage signs, framed botanical prints, or farm-inspired artwork. Use wooden shelves for displaying books, pottery, or plants. A wreath made of twigs, dried flowers, looks beautiful on doors or walls. Cozy dining and kitchen touches. Use mismatched crockery or vintage enamel dishes for charm. Keep a wooden cutting board or open fruit basket on the countertop. Add a checkered tablecloth or floral table runner. Comfort in bedrooms. Mix neutral bedding with floral or plain accent cushions. Use a soft knitted throw at the end of the bed. Add a small wooden stool or woven basket beside the bed for warmth and texture. Play with muted colors. Stick to earthy tones. Beige, cream, olive, chess, dusty blue or faded pink. Use chalky or matte finishes instead of shiny paints. Add color through fabrics, cushions, quilts or wall art rather than big furniture. Use nature-inspired accessories. Decorate with branches, pine cones, or dried leaves in vases for a rustic look. Add wooden trays or bamboo bowls filled with potpourri or stones. Place open baskets for holding extra pillows, magazines, or firewood. Choose character-rich furniture. Look for pieces with visible wood grain, distressed edges, or handcrafted details. Mix painted furniture like a white dresser with natural wood items. A farmhouse dining table or vintage rocking chair instantly sets the mood. Highlight handmade touches. Use crochet or lace runners, embroidered cushions, or hand-woven mats. Add handmade wall hangings, macrame, crocheted mandalas, or woven jute art. Decorate mason jars with crochet covers or burlap ribbons for a rustic centerpiece. Play with layers and textures. Combine smooth linens, rough wood, soft crochet, and shiny metal for balance. Layer multiple rugs like a jute base with a small floral mat. Mix textures in every corner, wicker baskets, knitted straws, and cotton pillows. Add trim-on charm. Include overclocks, typewriters, or lanterns as decor accents. Hang vintage mirrors or repurpose old window frames as wall art. Look for antique metal items, watering cans, milk jugs, or tins for a farmhouse display. Make every corner inviting. Add a reading nook with a soft chair, straw, and a small lamp. Use corner shelves to display plants or vintage pottery. Add a bench near the entryway with baskets underneath for a cozy welcome. Use country-style lighting. Choose choose pendant lamps with wooden or metal finishes. Decorate with lantern-style lamps or string fairy lights for warmth evening vibes. Mix different light levels, ceiling, table, and wall lights for soft ambience. Add seasonal country touches. In spring, use fresh flowers and pastel crochet decor. Repurpose and upcycle. Turn an old ladder into a shelf or towel rack. Use messengers as light fixtures or plant holders. Repaint old furniture in chalky pastel colors for a vintage farmhouse touch. Add a country aroma. Use lavender chassis, vanilla candles, or wood scented diffusers. A natural scent completes the country home, feeling beautifully. Add farmhouse details to furniture. Replace modern handles with antique brush or wooden knobs. Add open shelving in kitchens or living rooms for that country kitchen charm. Try distressing paint on furniture. Lightly sand white or pastel painted wood for a vintage finish. Decorate with greenery and herbs. Place potted herbs like basil, rosemary, or mint on your kitchen windowsill. Use vintage watering cans or tin buckets as planters. Hang small dried herb bundles like lavender or thyme near your cooking area or entryway. Thanks for watching the video.